being part of this tournament. Now, with over 380 entries in this tournament, we can see the growth of badminton in Goa. And these are all entry-level players. Now, as a Salcete badminton club, we always believe in upliftment of the sport as well as the players. Next 3 days, we have only one objective. We have a tournament which is fair, transparent, and disciplined and professionally managed. I request all the players, coaches, parents to cooperate with technical officials and referees. Please rest assured, we have a code of conduct and all the decisions to be governed by rules of BI and GBA. Now, for the first time, I think I have not seen in my 15-20 years, attachment with this sport, anybody having this champion of champion for the tournament. So we are going to nominate one or rather select one player from girls category and boys category for the champion of champion. Now, so I expect everybody just don't concentrate on winning, because champion of champion is not just about winning. It is about sportsmanship, about discipline, about respect to the opponent, following the rules, code of conduct. So based on that, you are going to select champion of champion. To select this champion of champion, we have formed a committee under who is a former state champion and one of the famous Kanji brothers. And currently he is in 50 plus category number 5 in India. So I request all the players to play hard, play fair, but respect the opponent, respect the referee. So enjoy this tournament. Make sure you enjoy each and every moment of this and carry sweet memories which will stay with you forever. So thank you very much.
Yogiraj Kamat, yes, officers of the club and Inaugurates, night officials, coaches, parents, dear players, ladies and gentlemen. A very warm afternoon to each one of you. On behalf of Salcete Badminton Club, it gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to the second Manohar state ranking badminton tournament 2026. Today is much more than the beginning of a badminton tournament. Today is a celebration of dreams, a celebration of discipline, a celebration of every young player who hard work for one point. At Salcete Badminton Club, we firmly believe that the sport has the power to transform lives. It teaches values that no classroom alone can teach. Discipline, respect, resilience, humility, teamwork, and the courage to rise after every defeat. These are the values that build not just better players, but better human beings. Our vision extends far beyond conducting tournaments. We aspire to build a sporting culture where every child involved believes that excellence is achievable, where parents see sport as a pathway to character, where coaches are respected as mentors, and where champions inspire the next generation. This tournament has attracted nearly 180 players with more than 380 entries, making it one of the largest ranking tournaments conducted in the state. Every participant standing here today is already a winner because we have earned your place through dedication and commitment. This year, we introduced the Champion of Champions initiative. Only one outstanding player across the entire tournament will ride home with the champion bicycle. This award is not merely about winning matches. It recognizes excellence, consistency, discipline, attitude, sportsmanship, and the true spirit of badminton. We also chose to celebrate world's own sporting icons. Our tournament proudly features Inaugurates and two outstanding athletes who have represented India with distinction. Their journeys remind every young player to achieve this Yogiraj Kamat for encouraging sports and youth initiatives. Friends, winning medal is important, but winning respect is even more important. For the next 3 days, let us compete fiercely, play fairly, and uphold the true spirit of sportsmanship. May this tournament create friendship, memories, and future champions. Thank you all. I wish every participant the very best. Jai Hind. Thank you.
Was swimming association, but badminton, I have been playing badminton since childhood, my school days, and still continue to play badminton and always supporting to any badminton tournament. You also organize one of the biggest badminton leagues, that is Super Badminton League, recently held here, and it is one of the most sought out tournament where people pay to participate and be part of that league. So I also played many tournaments, and since I was a kid represented school, college for badminton. So I know that when these tournaments are there, neither the parents nor the children are interested to listen to speeches. They just want to get the tournament started and finish and go home fast and then come for the awards. Nobody is interested to listen to speeches. But I just make it short. I would like to congratulate Salcete Badminton Club for organizing this tournament, especially focused on kids. The categories they have chosen are all about for the kids. The entire tournament, Super Badminton League, we call it the Rising Stars. So we call it Rising Stars, and we make sure that for our tournament also we have a separate category called Rising Stars, just to encourage the kids to be part along with the regular players. So they also know how to play the league format, and also because of the league format has a lot of stress and pressure on the kids. So they also learn from the senior players how to take care of the pressure and get along with the team in a group format. So I am happy that they have selected only the Rising Star categories, and they have got a tremendous response of more than 350 participants. I have seen that badminton has been growing not only all over India. There is a lot of improvement in badminton, and we see that international level also India is doing very well. Even though badminton is a very expensive sport, and parents take keen interest and keen interest to support the children. So I would like to congratulate all the parents, because parents play an important role when the children are undergoing coaching. And Salcete Badminton Club, the entire committee consists of parents whose children are into badminton. So they know how to organize a tournament, what issues are there, and they have taken care of all the issues, and they have made sure that everything is organized to perfection. So again, once again, I would like to congratulate them, and my support is always there for whenever anything to do with badminton. Thank you.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.